Sushant Singh Rajput's co-star Shraddha Kapoor's name has now emerged in the drug chats with late actor's talent manager Jaya Saha. Jaya Saha's chat with Shraddha Kapoor shows that Shraddha was asking Jaya for CBD oil, to which Jaya said that she's going to send it to her. Remember, CBD oil largely can be bought online, mostly illegal, but if it's got some levels of banned substances in it, then it becomes illegal. But CBD oil is accessible on most online platforms. And here is Shraddha Kapoor asking Jaya Saha about her opinion on CBD oil, saying that she wants to use it, and Jaya says she'll send it to her. Now this, of course, has emerged right at a time when the NCB is currently probing into Jaya Saha, who's supposed to be the talent manager for Sushant Singh Rajput. Jaya Saha and Shraddha Kapoor's chats now show that Shraddha was also asking for CBD oil, to which Jaya said that she will be sending it to her. Here, some drug link that is being probed by the Narcotics Control Bureau. They are looking at all chats and conversations between Sushant's associates, including Jaya Saha, who's his talent manager, Shruti Modi, of course, Riya Chakravarti, and several others who are associated to Sushant. Now, one after the other, chats coming up. Divyesh joining us live for more details on that. Divyesh, here is Shraddha Kapoor in a chat message. Did they find Jaya's phone? They tried to investigate into Jaya's text messages and they found a chat. Is it? What really happened? It shows Shraddha asking for CBD oil as well.
Yeah, Nabila, the Narcotics Control Bureau is investigating all possible angles in this particular case, and Jaya Saha remains to be an important witness. Her chats with Riya Chakravarti were found by the Enforcement Directorate, after which, through a disclosure, they shared the same with Narcotics Control Bureau, and Narcotics Control Bureau, based on that, registered an offence and started investigating the case. Right now, Jaya Saha is present at this guest house, which we are present at near the Gateway of India in Mumbai. The Narcotics Control Bureau team, it's been almost 2 hours that Jaya Saha is being questioned by the NCB officials. This is the first time that Jaya Saha is being questioned by Narcotics Control Bureau. Earlier, remember, she was questioned by the CBI, she was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. But now this is for the first time that Jaya Saha is being questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And Narcotics Control Bureau will question her regarding each and every communication that she has had with Riya Chakravarti, with Sushant Singh Rajput, regarding the CBD oil. And as you correctly mentioned, CBD oil is a legal thing which is easily available on online portals and also available over the counter at various chemist shops.
Then what's the reason for such hue and cry, Divyesh? What's the reason for such?
Only providing. Remember, Nabila, there are some other chats which have come to light that Jaya Saha was communicating with some other people. There's actress who was quite famous in the 90s. Her name has emerged. Jaya Saha has been speaking to her, and she is communicating with her regarding a particular banned narcotic substance, and that is why this becomes quite serious, and that is why she is under investigation by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So it may not be the CBD oil which the Narcotics Control Bureau is looking at, but they may be looking at few other chats, few other details as well, where Jaya Saha has communicated regarding some banned narcotic substances. So that becomes very serious under the NDPS Act, and she may face action regarding the same by the NCB, by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And if they find, if the NCB officials find that she had in any way helped procurement or facilitated any kind of banned narcotic substance to anyone, then Jaya Saha might be in serious trouble. She might even face...
No, but here so far Jaya Saha's name has cropped up for advising Sushant Singh Rajput to consume CBD oil. Now, according to you, Divyesh, you also said, and we understand that CBD oil is largely available on online platforms and it's largely legal. So what here becomes banned? In terms of Jaya Saha recommending Sushant to consume CBD oil, is that the focus here? Or is there more suspicion that Jaya could have probably, directed him to have other banned substances, other narcotic synthetic drugs?
Nabila, that is what is being probed. That is what the NCB officials want to know, and that is why they are questioning Jaya Saha. Jaya Saha, remember, a top talent manager working with Quan Talent Management, a leading talent management agency. Jaya Saha has handled some of the A-listers, some of the top stars of Bollywood, and Sushant was one of the key stars whom she had been working for. So right now, if she is recommending CBD oil, as she has mentioned in her statement, that we've accessed, that she herself was suffering from depression, and that is why she recommended CBD oil to Riya Chakravarti. She recommended CBD oil to Sushant Singh Rajput because it had helped her. And CBD oil is legal. It is available on online portals. It's available over the counter.
Exactly,
But
which is
now
why the confusion here is to what is the real offence. Which
is
why the question here is, what is the offence here? Because here even Shraddha Kapoor's chats have come about. Now, let me cut across to Arvind Oja joining us as well. Arvind, यहाँ पर जो जया साहा और श्रद्धा कपूर के बीच में जो बातचीत हुई है मैसेज पे, उसमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि श्रद्धा भी जया से सीबीडी ऑयल के बारे में पूछ रही है और बोल रही है कि मुझे भी चाहिए, और जया बोल रही है कि मैं भेजती हूँ आपको। ये सीबीडी ऑयल के बारे में कुछ बताओ। ये हमें पता चला है कि ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स में सब लीगली अवेलेबल है, तो यहाँ पर क्राइम क्या हुआ और ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन किस तरफ जा रहा है?
जी देखिए, मैं पहले बताऊं, देखिए दरअसल इसको लेकर कंफ्यूजन है। कुछ ऑफिसर्स का ये कहना है कि ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, लेकिन आप ऑनलाइन नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के ऑफिसर से हमने इस बारे में खासतौर से पूछताछ की थी सीबीडी ऑयल के बारे में, तो उनका कहना है कि अगर ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है तो आप खरीद कर दिखाइए। नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो का कहना है कि सीबीडी ऑयल उनके मुताबिक इलीगल है, उसको प्रोक्योर इजिली नहीं किया जा सकता है, तो नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो उसको सीबीडी ऑयल को एक इलीगल तौर पर देखती है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, मैं आपको बताऊं कि एक सैंपल है जो व्हाट्सएप चैट हमारे हाथ लगा है, लेकिन इस तरह के कई लंबे व्हाट्सएप चैट हैं वो नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के हाथ लगे, जिसमें जया शाह श्रद्धा कपूर से बात कर रही है सीबीडी ऑयल पर, जबकि एक 90s के काफी फेमस एक्ट्रेस थी बॉलीवुड की, उनके साथ भी जया शाह की बातचीत सामने आई है, जिसमें एमडीएमए को लेकर बातचीत चल रही है। देखिए, पूरी पिक्चर में जया शाह एक बड़ी प्लेयर के तौर पर सामने आ रही है। उनके ड्रग्स को लेकर कई लोगों से व्हाट्सएप चैट हुए हैं। दरअसल जया शाह का ये जो जया शाह के मोबाइल से व्हाट्सएप चैट निकले हैं, अभी जया शाह से पूछताछ हो रही है। यह इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए भी है सुशांत के ड्रग्स कनेक्शन में नबीला, क्योंकि जो रिया चक्रवर्ती और जया शाह के बीच व्हाट्सएप चैट पर बातचीत हुई थी, जिसमें सुशांत को सीबीडी ऑयल देने की बातचीत चल रही थी, उसके बाद सीबीआई के रडार पर थी, ईडी के रडार पर थी, लेकिन नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के ऑफिसर्स ने इंडिया टुडे को ये एक्सक्लूसिव जानकारी दी है और एनसीबी के ऑफिशियल ने हमें बताया है कि दरअसल जो सीबीआई और ईडी जया शाह से नहीं उगलवा पाई, वो नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो उगलवा कर दिखाएगी। जया शाह एक बड़ी प्लेयर है और अब एक के बाद एक, चाहे आप 90 के दशक में जो एक बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री है, उनके साथ व्हाट्सएप चैट इंडिया टुडे के पास मौजूद है, और उसके अलावा श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ व्हाट्सएप चैट है।
आपके हिसाब से बोल रहे हो कि लेकर ये जो नेक्सस जो है, जया शाह ने बहुत सारे एक्ट्रेसेस को सजेस्ट किया है कि सीबीडी ऑयल कंज्यूम करे, एमडीएमए के बारे में भी बोला है, तो ये जो एक्टर्स को समन किया गया है उनको कंजम्पशन के ऊपर समन किया जा रहा है या कुछ ड्रग सेल के ऊपर समन किया जा रहा है? मतलब प्रोब किस तरफ है, कंजम्पशन के ऊपर या सप्लाई के ऊपर?
जी देखिए, कंजम्पशन और सप्लाई सबको लेकर इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन है। अगर इस पूरे देखिए, शुरुआत में बहुत सॉफ्ट ड्रग्स की बात आ रही थी, लेकिन उसके बाद नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने खुद बताया कि इस सर्किल में कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने हार्ड ड्रग्स भी लिया है। तो जो ये 4 नाम है, सारा अली खान, सिमोन खंबाटा, रकुल प्रीत सिंह, श्रद्धा कपूर, इनसे पूछताछ की जाएगी और इनसे जो कुछ भी नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के पास व्हाट्सएप चैट है, देखिए बहुत कम व्हाट्सएप चैट है जो मीडिया को एक्सेस है, काफी ज्यादा इंडिया टुडे के पास है, लेकिन नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने अपने पत्ते एक तरीके से कहे तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं खोले हैं, लेकिन उनके पास काफी ज्यादा व्हाट्सएप चैट है जिसमें जया शाह पर फोकस था नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो का, और श्रुति मोदी का। हमने ऑफिसर से ये पूछा भी कि इनको सीबीआई और ईडी ने पूछताछ की, इनसे कुछ नहीं निकला, तो उनका कहना था कि आप बस देखते जाइए, इन्हीं दोनों पर हमारी नजर, ये काफी कुछ खुलासा करने वाली है। और शायद ये वजह है कि जैसे ही कोविड से अप्रूव हुए, एनसीबी की टीम ने इन दोनों को सम्मन भेजा। जया शाह से अभी पूछताछ हो रही है। उनके मोबाइल से कई बॉलीवुड की एक्ट्रेस के साथ चैट्स जो है वो एनसीबी को मिले हैं, उनसे पूछताछ की जाएगी। अगर कोई ड्रग पैडलर है तो उसको भी अरेस्ट करने की कोशिश की जाएगी। नबीला
जी, Arvind, stay with us. Let me cut across to Divyesh also joining us. Divyesh, take us through the summons that will be going out to Shraddha Kapoor as well as you have Sara Ali Khan as well. Will both of them be subject to a drug test? That's the question here. If they're going to be summoned, they're going to be asked about their connection with Sushant Singh Rajput and also about their indulgence in narcotic substances. Is that what's going to be the direction of the probe? Will they be asked to do a drug test?
Nabila, this is very far-fetched that these actresses could be asked to undergo a drug test. Remember, we're talking about 2016-17. Sara Ali Khan was shooting for Kedarnath with Sushant Singh Rajput in the year 2016-17. So quite a lot of time has passed, the period that has been revealed by Riya Chakrabarti in her statement. So drug test might not reveal anything. Drug test could be done regarding recent happenings, regarding recent consumption. But drug test won't help here. So that is why the NCB could rely on testimonies, could rely on statements. Riya Chakrabarti is herself an accused in this case. And she, in her statement, has revealed that Sara Ali Khan, India Today was the first to point out that it was a co-actress, a co-actor who, while shooting for Kedarnath, was consuming banned narcotic substances with Sushant Singh Rajput, and it led or it increased his addiction towards narcotics or towards drugs. So, it was on the first day itself.
So, what
when
here
Riya
looking
Chakrabarti
at this,
had recorded her statement, we had pointed this out that
Divyesh,
this has come out in her statement.
From what I
we
hear
haven't
and gather
named
from
any
you,
of the actresses.
Divyesh, if you can hear me, from what I gather from you in that case, is consumption what is looked at here, or the fact that they this is Kedarnath shooting, which was a couple of years ago. The NCB is now probing into what? Whether she consumed drugs at that point of time, or whether she gave Sushant drugs at that point of time, or whether they both enjoyed it together and considering it's narcotic substances, it's banned, and they consumed it now, 4 years later, they're going to be punished for it. What's really the direction of the probe here? For actors like Shraddha, Sara Ali Khan, who have absolutely no connection so far,
first point,
what's the probe direction going to be, and what kind of questions will they be asked?
Nabila, I would explain this to you in 3 points. First point, Sara Ali Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput were shooting for Kedarnath, and that is when they consumed these drugs. Second point, were they consuming these drugs on their own, or were they being forced to do it? Third point, who was facilitating it? Was Sara facilitating these drugs for Sushant, or was Sushant facilitating these drugs for Sara Ali Khan? So these are the 3 points that need to be investigated by the NCB. After that, once they are clear, once they have an idea on what was happening, who was consuming what, who was consuming on whose influence, both are adults, and if both have consumed these drugs, basically they can be booked for consumption. If someone was facilitating, remember, Riya Chakrabarti has been booked for facilitating procurement of banned drugs under section 27A of NDPS. Now, if Sara Ali Khan was facilitating, she might also face the same section under NDPS, but it will only be based on basis of testimonies, on witness statements. That is why NCB will have to widen its probe, will have to expand the probe and question each and every person associated over there, associated with the probe, associated who was based at the unit or who was present at the spot. They will have to question everyone. So now NCB would record statements of these people.
All right.
And if it is only the investigating agency or investigators, if they want to investigate something that has happened 4 years ago, or they want to investigate something that has happened 3 years ago,
correct,
on basis of what are they going to prove anything that has happened?
Right.
If the
From what I
procurement has happened,
understand, Dinesh, also here the NCB is trying to look at the larger Bollywood drug nexus. Where is the actual supply coming from? How interconnected is this drug mafia to Bollywood industry? Possibly that could be the larger picture which the NCB is trying to look into at this point of time. Currently, two actresses will be summoned, Sara Ali Khan as well as Shraddha Kapoor, in a week's time is what sources tell us from the NCB. Do stay with us, Arvind and Divyesh, following up on all the details. But here, the Bollywood drug probe only getting bigger and murkier with more actors now under lens. India Today has now exclusively accessed statements of Rhea Chakravarti to the Narcotics Control Bureau, in which she has named actor Sara Ali Khan. In her statement, Rhea has said that Sushant Singh Rajput was taking drugs along with Sara Ali Khan, and the late actor became drug addict during the shoot of Kedarnath. She said that it was Sara when Sushant Singh Rajput took her first high dose of, it was with Sara there that Sushant took a high dose of drugs. She went on to say that Sushant became drug addict after the Me Too allegations as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.